We are here at Fairland at Gwynedd, our upcoming community of luxury carriage homes. I just want to take a minute to introduce Amy, our community sales manager. Amy, can you tell us a little bit about the community?
Oh, of course. So we are 23 exceptional carriage homes offering 4 different floor plans that have been specially designed for Fairland. They are 2,500 to well over 3,000 square feet. One floor plan is a first floor owner's suite, and the other 3 floor plans will have the elevator option available.
Amy, did you notice how spacious the guest bedrooms are?
Yes, Donna, all the bedrooms are oversized. We're also offering upscale kitchens with enormous center islands, a gas fireplace, and fabulous outdoor entertaining space.
We are just thrilled to unveil our spectacular model home to all of our VIPs.
We hope to see you soon.